Too many files, too much chaos. Sounds familiar? What if video editing was effortless? Meet MiniTool MovieMaker, the simple but powerful way to turn your clips into stunning videos. A seamless blend of simplicity and power in video editing. Hey everyone, today we are diving into MiniTool MovieMaker, the user-friendly video editing software that has been making waves. Whether you are a budding content creator or just someone looking to craft memorable videos, this tool has got you covered. Head over to MiniTool website and download MovieMaker for free. So what sets MiniTool MovieMaker apart? Unlike many free editors, export your videos in up to 4K without any watermark. In multi-track editing, with support for up to 9 video tracks and 2 audio tracks, layering and fine-tuning become second nature. Apply transitions, effects, or color correction to multiple clips simultaneously and streamline your workflow. Let's take a closer look at this intuitive interface. Easy, drag and drop your videos, images, and audio files into the media library. It supports a wide range of formats, ensuring compatibility with your content. But hey, MiniTool offers more than just a movie maker. With MiniTool Video Converter, you can easily drag and drop videos for quick conversion. Whether you need a different format or a compressed file, it handles it all seamlessly. And it doesn't stop here. MiniTool Video Converter has additional tabs that expand its functionality. Download videos directly within the app, saving content effortlessly without any hassle. You don't need to spend extra money on a screen recorder. Record your screen with high quality, which is perfect for tutorials, presentations, or gaming content. It doesn't just end here. Just like MiniTool MovieMaker, it includes an editing tab where you can choose aspect ratios and make quick adjustments. With these extra tools, MiniTool becomes a complete media suite for creators. The timeline is clean and organized, allowing for precise editing with the newly added timescale. You can zoom in and out for detailed adjustments. Now let's explore some creative features that make your videos stand out. Choose from a vast library of transitions and effects to add flair to your videos. The latest update introduces new overlay and love effects that are perfect for various themes. Easy add captions, titles, and credits with customizable fonts and animations to enhance your storytelling. Incorporate animated stickers, include AR effects to add a fun and engaging touch to your content. You will find tons of ready-made buttons to simplify, drag and drop them on your timeline. You can search them according to your choice and also download a video here to directly insert it to your timeline as B-roll. MiniTool MovieMaker also offers a wide range of filters to enhance your videos with just one click. Whether you are aiming for a cinematic look or an Instagram-style aesthetic, there is something for everyone. Stand up to date with the latest popular filters that add modern, stylish effects to your videos. Add color grading LUTs anytime to give your videos a polished cinematic feel. Experiment with creative styles that transform your footage into something unique with artistic filters. In common filters, you can enhance your videos with simple brightness, contrast, and color adjustments. Here in Instagram-like filters, give your videos that social media ready look with vibrant and nostalgic tone. With these filters, you can instantly change the mood and tone of your videos, making them stand out effortlessly. For those seeking more control, MiniTool MovieMaker offers advanced tools. Modify the speed of your clips or play them in reverse or create dynamic visuals. Wow, it's amazing. Adjust audio levels and background music or apply sound effects to enrich your video auditory experience. Focus on specific details with crop and zoom functionalities to direct your audience attention. Once your video is polished and ready, export in various resolutions including 720p, 1080p, and up to 4K, ensuring your content looks crisp on any screen. Save your videos in multiple formats like MP4, AVI, MOV, and more, catering to different platforms and devices. Enjoy clean, professional exports without any watermark, even in the free version. When it comes to pricing, MiniTool MovieMaker offers flexible pricing. Access all features with the ability to export videos without watermarks. The first 3 videos have no length limit. Subsequent exports are limited to 2 minutes. Here are the price plans. $12.99 per month for unlimited export without length restrictions. If you're gonna go further, then $35.99 per year, offering significant savings for regular users. And if you're gonna get the lifetime license, $59.99 for a lifetime license on up to 3 PCs, including all feature updates. MiniTool MovieMaker makes editing seamless with easy-to-use tools. You can quickly crop a video effortlessly, split clips at the playhead for precise editing, delete unwanted sections in just a click, undo and redo actions to refine your edits without worry. For even more control, click on the top 3 lines in the corner to access additional options. Start fresh with a blank timeline by clicking here. Here you can resume work on an existing edit, keep a backup or create different versions. Click to quickly bring in videos, images and audio files. Close the software when you are done. If you are ever unsure about the features, MiniTool MovieMaker has a built-in help section where you can find a step-by-step walkthrough to guide you through the software, video editing for a hands-on learning experience, user manual with detailed explanation, update checker to ensure you are using the latest version, license key management for easy activation, feedback section to share your thoughts with the developer. With these features, MiniTool MovieMaker ensures a hassle-free editing experience whether you are a beginner or a pro. In conclusion, MiniTool MovieMaker is a versatile and accessible video editing solution catering to both novice and seasoned editors. Its rich feature sets combined with an intuitive interface empowers you to bring your creative vision to life. Ready to transform your videos? Download MiniTool MovieMaker and embark your editing journey today.